Hi, welcome, and thank you for coming to the RSNA2020 AZOS virtual booth. Today I'm going to take some time and run through our newest mammography monitor in 5 megapixel. It's the RadiForce RX560. It's a 21.3 color LCD. These are shipped individually and calibrated on site. They come designed with very thin bezels, which can be pushed together, which are about a ½ inch thick once pushed together from your current reads to your prior reads. So your eyes can focus very quickly between each monitor as you're reviewing your studies. I'd also like to talk about the design of such product where we can maintain multiple calibrations at each time, whether you're looking at a traditional grayscale image at DICOM Part 14 or you look at the color mammography images in MRI or ultrasound in DICOM Part 2.2 gamma. I'd also like to talk about the ultra-thin bezels all the way around with the built-in presence sensors. So when you walk up, it'll turn on, and when you walk away, it will turn its monitor off in order to save the power consumptions throughout the day and also prolong the life of the monitor. Some of the unique features built into this product are the work and flow functionalities, and one of the features I'd like to focus on is the point and focus. This allows you to quickly find the focus areas of concern and use your mouse and keyboard to save those settings in multiple brightnesses and for easier interpretation of the areas of concern. I hope you like some of these advantages. We'd be happy to show and demo these products in your facility. Please give us a call and we'll follow up with you with the demo so you could practice these on site. Have a good day. Thanks.